à la brasserie du café de la paix. Je t'attendrai, je porte un feutre.
Hi, I'm Jennifer from Ziliato, and I'm here with my good friend MJ from Rethink Breast Cancer. And MJ is a huge Ziliato shopper. She shops often on Queen West, so we thought it would be fun if she took us to some of her favorite other stores. Yay! Let's go shopping! So here we are in Simon Carter.
Jennifer actually introduced me to this store and I love it. It's perfect for shopping for Glenn because everything's special and different. And
True.
last year I got him a gorgeous watch from here. So
Bruno has one too. The great thing about Simon Carter, everything's from London, England. It's all beautiful shirts, suits, lots of accessories, lots of great gift ideas, and great variety of price point.
And the owners are so nice and super helpful. They were like amazing helping me pick out the watch. So, and the shirts, like look at how cool, like so different and special.
Yeah.
I just love it. Glenn's gotten really into these more pattern, wild, European looking shirts, which I think is great.
Great fits too. So here we are in the Paper Place, and this is one of MJ's favorite stores, which I can totally understand why, but why don't you tell us why it's one of your favorites?
I go crazy in here. I just feel absolutely giddy and full of joy. There's just so many beautiful little cute things. I mean, from the beautiful papers that you can buy. Look at these little ornament streamers, handmade paper from Nepal. They're just so gorgeous. To all the little tiny adorable calendars. I buy them. They should be gifts for people, but I end up buying as much for myself here. The cards are to die for. And just so many cute little knickknacks, which I do love.
Me too.
Rendez-vous à la brasserie du café de la paix. Je t'attends.
So here we are finishing off at Nadej. I know we've featured Nadej before, but I mean really, honestly, it's so great. There's so many things.
It's gorgeous any time of the year, but at the holidays, they really go over the top. I mean, the windows, incredible. Last year, incredible. I look forward to it each year. And the little things like little chocolate Santa make such a great hostess gift or a teacher gift. And they also have these great gift baskets, which are so fun to show up with. And the last couple of years, for Christmas dinner, we've been invited to friends, and they said, don't bring anything, don't bring anything. Oh, maybe bring dessert. And I've shown up with Nadej, Yule logs, the little like cakes that are in the shape of presents, and everyone's just like, wow, amazing.
That's a good idea.
I just love Nadej.
So I hope you've enjoyed our holiday gift guide here on Queen West. If you have any other questions, you can visit us at either of the locations or at ziliato.com. Thanks, MJ.
Happy shopping.